Okay, let's go.
So I figured I'd let you guys know, I don't know, maybe people know this, maybe they don't, but let's say you got your brakes off, like I do. You don't even have brake fluid, you don't have anything. So this is gonna freely spin, but you wanna get that bad boy off. I make this cool tool, or I take this, and you take these trusty things, shove them in there, that won't move. And then, wait a minute, the most important part. So, this baddie right here, the Extendo Wrench 5000. So we just slip this sucker right on over there, jam that in there, and then we go gadget, Extendo, and we're moving. So yeah, take that off. Now this bad boy's free-ish, but we can just use this thing. Ta-da! Super easy. Maybe you already knew that, but when I figured that out, I could take anything off. It's like the Thanos of leverage.